It's Saturday night. Welcome back to Takeaway and Tools. We got Mario, Broken RC, Miles from
Miles 123 RC.
Glyn from Glyn.
and me. Okay, so boys, I've got a bit of a challenge for you this evening. You've got your tea in your pots there. How are you going to get it from your pot to your plate?
Well, it's an RC channel, actually.
It's an RC channel. Miles, hold the phone, mate.
We've got to have something RC involved.
We have. So, what I've done, gents, I've bought some RC diggers, guys.
I think you should have put a sheet down.
So, I think we're going to be cleaning the table, but there you go. We'll have one that end, one that end. Crack on, boys. Alright, Glyn's first try with the digger. First time he's ever driven this, and now he's serving up his tea.
Oh, God.
My money's on that pint of squash ended up on the floor.
All right, okay, hang on.
Here he goes, here he goes. Look at the concentration. That's going to flick it everywhere.
I can't even remember what I've done, you know.
Oh, he's got it.
It's not enough slow control.
I can't wait for the sauce.
Oh, God. Oh, no.
You're on portion control as well, mate. For your
That's right, yeah. Yeah, here he goes.
That's tonight's.
Try the sauce.
Hang on a minute. Let's get some more rice on first.
Mario's looking hungry there, waiting for the digger.
I think I'll use it too. Get my portion.
Oh, hang on a minute.
See if that other one will go, Miles. While Glyn's learning that one. See if you can get that one on. You in?
Yep.
Yeah, he's in. Miles is in. It flicks it everywhere. How many got there? Get in 2 grains of.
Oh, yeah.
Right, here we are. Miles is going in for the rice.
What's Summer's boyfriend's name?
Max.
We'll plate it. We'll plate him at the plate with the fucking leftovers.
Nice, Miles. Oh, the concentrating.
I'm not liking the look of that bucket.
Mario's going in
I'm
down
going to
this
rice and squash now.
Oh, he's going for a big scoop. Yeah.
I've done it, no spills.
Please try the sauce. I want to see the sauce.
Oh, yeah.
No spills.
Google it.
Yeah, obstacles.
Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Broken RC.
Subscribe.
Miles 123 RC. I think this is going to be the longest meal ever, boys.
Oh, God, yeah.
Right, here we go.
Oh, this is
You might not be able to choose what you have, man. He's in the coma.
Oh, you got a chunk. Ah.
Oh, it's got. At least the rice will stick to the bucket now.
Yeah.
It's one thing with Broken RC, he does not give up, guys.
I got some sauce.
It ain't on the plate yet. How's Miles getting it on this end? Hey, we should do this at Christmas dinner, boys.
Oh, yeah.
Think of the weight we'd lose if this is how we had to eat. Have you given up, Miles?
No. Taking the
You're going for the
It's a bit
sauce.
hard to get into, no matter how slow you do it. We got more sauce.
Oh, you got it all.
Oh, he's got a chunk.
He's
Got a chunk.
Where's it going to end up?
Hey.
Miles is going in the sauce.
Gotta line it up.
He's in. Have some sauce, Miles. Didn't want any chicken today.
Oh, God.
The boys down this end have given up.
Give it up.
Yeah, I had a piece of chicken. I was happy.
You've won, man, you've won.
That's my meal for tonight.
Oh, God. Yeah, break the pocket down there.
You know, you could use it as
What's that?
dip in pot. Fill a bucket with sauce, dip
Dip it in there.